Interval training is short bursts of effort accompanied by a short rest period, and you take it on all over again. I'm going to talk to you a bit about your perceived rate of exertion, and that's how hard you think you're working. On a scale of 1 to 10, 1 is really easy, you're barely walking, and 10 is it's really, really hard, you can't talk, you're totally puffing, and it's the hardest you feel like you've worked in a long time. So we're going to begin by doing 3 sets at a rate of 7 out of 10. So you're working pretty hard, you're aiming to go up the stairs as fast as you can and then take it down slowly to recover. I want you to focus on keeping your posture really nice and strong, especially on the downhill when we often forget to hold ourselves nicely. So we'll take it out, we'll climb the stairs for 7 out of 10, we'll do that 3 times, we'll then come back and do another 3 sets at 9 out of 10, which means I'm working even harder, I'm really puffing, I definitely can't talk to my teammates. And the last set of 3 is taking it at around a 6 or 7 out of 10, but this time you're taking 2 steps at a time, so you're aiming to reach out and really use your glutes, your butt muscles as you climb the stairs. Let's take a look. That's 1 set. Nice work, Coast Trekkers. Our last 3 sets, you're going to be working at a 6 or a 7 out of 10, but you're going to be focusing more on taking 2 steps at a time. It will lengthen out your stride, it'll get you to really use your glutes when you're climbing, and remember there's quite a lot of stair climbs in Coast Treks, so when you're climbing keep your posture nice and tall, nice and strong, and use those big muscles at the back of the body. Off we go.